Thanks to the infrared restoration process, almost any damaged asphalt surface can be returned to like-new condition in a fraction of the time and more permanently than with a conventional remove and replace repair. Infrared restoration truly creates the ultimate asphalt repair. Some of the many applications include potholes, utility cuts and trenches, bird baths, high spots, pavement seams, alligator cracking, failed repairs, handicapped ramps, and manhole covers. In fact, virtually any defect not caused by problems with the subbase can be repaired more permanently with the infrared restoration process. We will show you how a pothole on a busy road can go from this to this, or how a failed utility cut can go from this to this, or a sunken trench can go from this to this. We will now show you the infrared restoration process. The day begins at the asphalt plant where fresh asphalt is loaded into the unit and the crew proceeds directly to the first job site. This is a typical failed utility cut. The first step is to ensure that the area is swept clean. Next, the repair is marked out, being sure to extend at least 6 inches beyond the damage. The infrared heater is then turned on and lowered over the area to be repaired. We will wait approximately 8 minutes to allow the infrared to soften the asphalt to a depth of 2 to 3 inches without damaging the surface. While the infrared is working, the crew will unload the roller and other tools. The roller seen here is a single drum vibratory roller. It produces a total applied force of 2,405 pounds per square inch, which is an ideal amount of compaction for the infrared application. After the 8 minutes are up, the asphalt is checked and the infrared heater is removed. The pavement is then scarified using a steel asphalt rake, taking care to remove any existing seam or joint. You can see how easily the raker scarifies the asphalt 2 inches deep. A rejuvenator is sprayed over the existing asphalt to reintroduce light oils, which may have oxidized out over time. Fresh asphalt is discharged from the reclaimer. The plant mix is then added to the repair. The patch is raked smooth and level. As soon as the raker is finished, the patch is ready to be rolled. It is important to roll the edges of the patch first. This fuses the fresh asphalt to the heated but untouched surrounding surface and is a key to a seamless repair. Thanks to the fact that only 2 to 3 inches of the existing pavement has been disturbed, further compaction of the asphalt after rolling will be negligible. Except for the difference in color, it is almost impossible to see where the repair ends and the existing surface begins. The entire process took less than 25 minutes, start to finish. The infrared process works equally well on larger areas, such as this sunken and eroding trench. The only difference in the process is that while one area is being raked, the adjoining area is being heated. This continues until the entire repair is complete. It takes 3 things to make infrared restoration work. 1. The process. Infrared heat is only part of the process. It is critical that all necessary steps are carefully completed to ensure the permanent success of the restoration. 2. The personnel. Our operators have completed a comprehensive factory-sponsored training program. 3. The equipment. We use CASI infrared equipment. It is the finest infrared equipment available. The repairs made with the infrared restoration process are the most permanent repairs possible. The equipment is designed to cause the least possible disruption to traffic. Whether repairing small patches in a fast food parking lot or repairing large areas on busy streets, infrared restoration is the answer. The finished product is a permanent, seamless repair. The benefits of infrared restoration are time. Repairs are made in a fraction of the time of conventional remove and replace repairs. A typical 5 by 7 foot repair takes 20 minutes to complete. The road can be reopened to traffic immediately. Quality. The thermal bonding of the patch to the surrounding surface makes the repair an integral part of the pavement. No cold seam exists for water to infiltrate and cause joint failure. This also eliminates the need for tack coating the edges. Environment. Existing asphalt is reused, leaving little or no waste material. This also means less handling and disposal costs. Labor. The typical infrared crew is made up of only 2 or 3 workers. And cost. Infrared restoration